Dr. Arthur D. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Let me show you a couple of Leslie 122 amplifiers that I just finished rebuilding. There's the first one. Let's look at this one. This is a Leslie 122 that has a solid state relay installed in it that I just finished rebuilding. Look at that. And of course you can see the solid state relay there. All new caps. Use some orange drops there, of course, here, there. These are some Panasonic capacitors there. New volume potentiometer. New cathode bypass capacitor here. New transformer there. Man, this thing is ready to rock and roll, and it sounds beautiful. All right, that's one Leslie 122, and the resistors were good in this beautiful amp, so I didn't have to replace those. But this 122 amplifier, I tell you what, I have two new transformers in there, and along with the choke here, new filter can. Did a new filter can over here, of course. And let's turn it over so you can see what this one looks like. Look at that. Woo! Rebuilt that high voltage board there. Put in a new wire wound resistor there. New mechanical relay here. New volume potentiometer there. And we'll go turn this down.
I didn't see the Alliance of American Football slate this weekend, nor did I hear one report about how great it was. So what was the big deal? Antonio Brown wants out of Pittsburgh? Meh. And then there was boxing, without even getting into actual fights. How about, as you just heard...
All right, here you go. Okay, sounded something like something was getting interesting there with boxing. Okay, here we go. Back to this amplifier, this beautiful amp. New caps, new orange drops there. Of course, new cathode bypass capacitor. Tried something new here for this coupling capacitor. Tried a different brand. Coupling capacitor there, and some different suppression caps there, and I like them. I mean, and so far, I'm gonna put this amp to the test, try it out, and see what it sounds like. Some more, test it out, and then. But anyway, I mean, this amp sounds beautiful, but I'll be spending some more time on it. And so the two projects, I mean, both projects came out beautiful. All right, so that's it. The work of the Hammond Doc here at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated. There's some other amps that I did over here. These are 147s. These are all amps that I recently refurbished. So, been working in the shop, getting some things done, and I'm pleased. Happy about it. All right, that's it. Peace out.